Oh boy.
You guys ordered a lot of crap.
What is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely wonderful today. Guys, you guys bought so much the past 2 days. I mean, look at all the stuff I'm shipping out. Not all of it's there. For the hoodies, last night only type of sale. I got those ordered and they are drop shipping to your house. Those of you who ordered the hoodies, those of you who ordered the t-shirts, those are gonna be in within a week or two to my house. And then the very next day, I'm gonna get them 3-day shipping directly to you guys. Decals, like I said in yesterday's video, you guys bought all of those and tons of people are like, ah, dude, where are the decals? Are they all gone? So those are all gone. Those all shipped out the very day that they were ordered. Hats, there's hats. Only a couple of hats are ordered. Those are shipping out right now, guys. A lot of stuff. So thank guys, a huge thank you. I'm gonna do the drawing today at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Right now, I've got to run to the bank. I've got to run to the post office. I've got to, yeah, got a lot of stuff going on. By the way, the nasty red yesterday, you guys were in the comment section trying to be as helpful as possible, and there was a lot of really good comments down there. The howling sound, that was the very first time I ever drove it with the light bar, and a lot of guys are saying it's the, you know, the airflow moving between the light bar and the windshield now. It's creating that, you know, that howling sound up against the metal on the back of that light bar. That would make sense. I'd never driven it there, so I guess that narrow airflow is gonna make a little bit of a, almost like a whistle sound. The truck not driving immediately yesterday when I put it into drive and started to move it, guys are saying that it wasn't, was it the torque converter or something? It wasn't filled with fluid yet after sitting for so long. Make sure everything's going good and everything's whatever. Everything's cycled through in the transmission. You should be good to go if you wait a couple minutes next time. Thank you guys so much for all the comments. You guys really helped out. Let's get this truck started up. Definitely not cold out. It is almost 60 degrees again, guys. Holy stinking moly. So we're gonna get this thing started up here. Of course, it's not plugged in. I mean, it's warm out, so I didn't feel there was any need to do that. I'm starting to realize that you've got to be very far away from the trucks while they're idling to actually get any kind of good audio, because this microphone, it really absorbs that audio up a little bit too good around the truck. So yeah, we're gonna get on our way to the post office and stuff like that. I'm kind of anxious to see what it's gonna cost me to ship everything out. I have a feeling it's gonna be a little bit expensive. After the truck warms up another, I don't know, 2-3 minutes, and get everything shipped out to you guys. A stretch road where I can just keep it in 5th gear and actually hold the camera and vlog, we are going to be possibly heading down to Pennsylvania again this weekend. Now when I say we, I know for sure, I don't know for sure if my dad is actually going to be able to go or not. I'm not sure if my brother's going to be able to go or not, but my plan at least is to go to PA this weekend. But if my dad does go, that means that we might be able to do a video, kind of like a review video on the 6.7 since it's been deleted. We're going to be doing highway cruising if he goes. It'll probably be for about 5 hours of driving, so that'll be definitely a good test for, you know, highway driving on the track. And also we can manually compare the fuel from the computer and what it's reading. So a fan gave me this idea, so thank you whoever you are. Manually check the fuel consumption by the gallons that we're putting in and, you know, the miles that we're driving, and compare it to the digital screen to actually see what it's actually reading. Possibly expect a video like that. Not sure if it's going to be tomorrow or the day after, but definitely be on the lookout for that video very soon if it happens. Okay, so we're at the post office, guys. Take your guesses down below how much you think it's going to cost to ship out everything in there. Okay, that's I don't know, 20-inch tall box, stacked top to bottom, 2 layers of stuff, actually 3 layers of stuff. Take a guess, leave them down below. I'll get back in just a split second. I'll tell you what it is. Guys, it was $123 to ship that stuff out. But guys, totally worth it. Hope you guys appreciate all your products. Yo, I don't do street racing, but there was this old dually, this old like either late 80s or early 90s Chevy 4-door square body, like big Chevy dually with like an old Detroit diesel in it or something. And the dude tried to race me at a light. Those 6.5 liter, I think they're 6.5 liter Detroit diesels are gutless. He was like keeping up with me for like the first like 20 feet. I mean, it was done, but it was funny. It was funny, but there was a little bit too much smoke. But luckily there weren't any vehicles behind us at the time. About to the bank, I'm gonna grab some of them blue notes and then head back to the house. Dudes, we are back at the house. I just actually put some diesel in the truck. I only put $20 in. And guys, you wanna know why I only put $20 in at a time and I don't actually like fill the thing up? By the way, look at the 7.3. It's looking clean right now. I pressure washed it off yesterday, got all the salt and dirt off it. But what I was saying is, I only drive my truck, and y'all are gonna think I'm crazy, okay? There's gonna be people out there like, why'd you buy a big Dodge diesel dually and you barely drive the truck? Well, guys, those of you who are stopping new, I don't know if you know this, but pretty much my full-time business when it comes to selling my merch, which by the way, we have some of these hats. These are from my other channel, Brotherhood Outdoors. I sell my merch, I do affiliate marketing, I do, product deals, my YouTube videos, all that kind of stuff. That's how I make my living. And so as you can imagine, since I don't commute for work or I don't drive for work or anything like that, other than, for work, YouTube. This truck barely sees, maybe on a busy week, it'll see 100 miles in a week. Like this past week, I think I put, well, just now, whatever miles I just now put on it. So I think I put 15 miles on it this whole week. So, I mean, that's why I'm not too worried about the KDP right now. And that's why I'm also not worried about, some of these other things that guys are bringing up. Like, oh, you want to get that clutch done ASAP, you're going to blow a clutch. Well, the thing is, I don't drive the truck. You know what I'm saying? Like, I barely drive the truck. This is like a business expense, okay? I bought this truck, besides the fact that I just wanted one for the channel and to just keep on growing the channel and keep on having a truck, as another project. A lot of stuff coming up very soon. I know I keep saying that, and you guys are probably thinking, dude, you keep on saying this, nothing's happened yet. Guys, it is happening. It is going to happen. Just stay tuned. You guys are going to be psyched when you guys see what we have coming up. So, just stay tuned. And guys, I know I told you a few days back, I was like, okay, when I get this warm weather, I'm going to have 2-3 days of warm weather. It's like almost 60 degrees out right now. I said, I'm like, I'm gonna get in the garage. I'm gonna be working on the KDP. I'm gonna be working on, different stuff, just different stuff under the hood, that kind of work. I've been so jam-packed busy with filling orders, and I'm not gonna complain. That is awesome. I appreciate all of it. I'm just letting you know like why I wasn't working on the truck the past couple days much, because I've been working on orders from like 8:30 in the morning and getting stuff finalized and ordering in new merch and designing stuff and getting stuff processed and drop shipping stuff to people and stuff like that. By the time I'm done, it's like 3 in the afternoon, you know what I mean? It's not that I don't want to, but then by the time that time comes around, I've got 2 hours left of daylight and 2 hours left until most business is closed. So if I'm going to ship stuff out, or if I'm going to run by the bank or anything like that, I mean, that's the reason why the past couple days, especially with the giveaway order, it like tripled overnight. And so yeah, definitely cool. So by the way, thank you guys, everybody. The hoodies and t-shirts might come back. I'm not sure when they're gonna come back. I did take them off the website though, because I told people, I'm only doing these orders for this giveaway, and then once the giveaway is kind of done, I'm gonna kind of cut off all sales until something else big comes on. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna spend that time to develop new stuff and try to get more stuff organized and lined up, so that by the next time we do a giveaway with bigger items, much more expensive and much more usable items, other than light bars, it's gonna be set up a little bit better. I'm talking like performance mods and stuff like that. I wanna give that stuff away. I wanna give back to you guys, because you guys have been so generous when it comes to watching my videos and leaving good feedback and dropping the likes and buying the merch and stuff like that. I want to give a lot of stuff back to you guys. It is still money, it is still expensive, but that's where my heart's at, in case you guys are wondering. Like, I want to give back as much as I can while everything's going good. Take that as an opportunity to give back and to sew back into people. Yeah, let's get to the giveaway stuff. I know you guys are probably wanting to know who won the giveaway. Yo, boys. Okay, so we got everything in here, all the names. Make sure no names are stuck under the cardboard tab. Make sure there's no names stuck together, so I don't like pick up two and then have to pick between them. And I do not know any of these people personally. I would love to know you all personally, but I don't know any of these people personally, so I'm not like being biased or anything. And so like I said, every $5 that was spent got an entry. There's some names that are in here like a ton of times, and there's some names that are only in here like once. I've got all the papers folded in half. See, okay. No peeking, just mixing it up. Okay. Who's it gonna be? Leighton Moore, spelled like, last name spelled like Kip Moore. Well, buddy, congratulations. You got yourself a brand new McTuning 32-inch curved light bar and wiring harness. All you got to do is contact me either down in the comment section, and I'll get you my email. Contact me on Snapchat, Instagram. I'll leave those both right here on the screen. Just let me know your shipping information. Say hi, and I will get this shipped right out to you. Thank you everybody for entering the drawing, entering the giveaway. Hopefully you guys aren't too hurt if you didn't get to win. Just kind of how it goes. But I do appreciate all of you. But just look at the bright side. It's not like you're just throwing a $5 bill away to try to get an entry, and you got to pay for a bunch of these tickets that you don't get anything out of. You bought merch and you get merch in return. So regardless of whether you win or not, everybody's a winner. Everybody got something regardless, and this was just kind of like a perk to buying merch. You might even win something else in addition to what you bought. And by the way, we do have a mod list for the dually now in the description, so if you guys are interested in either the tow mirrors, I actually don't have the LED lights in there yet. I'll get those in there. I think the light bar's in there. Oh yeah, the exhaust system, the tip, all that stuff's all in the description in the mod list. So I hope you guys all enjoyed that video. Guys, just stay tuned. We got some stuff coming up. Hopefully we can get these truck mods coming in ASAP. Got some stuff coming in. I really can't do anything because my mom actually just called me and she said that my brother needs something ran into his game right now, actually, so I don't really have any time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, I've been so busy the last couple days. I hope you guys can understand. I feel really bad because I want to get you guys more content than just kind of like touching base, letting you know what's been ordered, giveaway status, some other things that are coming up, some updates, and then just kind of wrapping up the video. I want, trust me, where I want to be is I want to have somebody else hired up to take care, or people, multiple people, to take care of, you know, merch and orders and all that stuff. Like, I like to stick to the camera and get you guys content, and more content that's got more detail and more work and more stuff put into it, so it's more enjoyable for you guys. So it would be more productive for me to just hire somebody to do that kind of stuff, and then me actually be able to just focus on getting you guys good videos and keep people coming to the channel. Hopefully you guys can understand, though, the last couple days especially I've been extra busy with the giveaway stuff going on. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. You're going to be seeing some video on the KingRanch very soon if we do go on the PA trip, and if my dad goes, and if he takes us 6-7, you're going to be seeing some 6-7 content on that now that it's newly deleted. Please smash that like button, leave your comments down below, subscribe if you are new, join the fam. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Doing what I love, going day to day, but I know it takes time and I'm patiently waiting. Sometimes I contemplate, cause one day you feel so close and the next is out of sight. But I know I gotta hold on tight to go back to just going out every night. Like, if I'm about to let it go now, I can live alright, live a normal life, doing 9 to 5. But I know I'm more than that. I gained this skill, wasn't born with that. At the end of the life, it's a memory.